Hi there. Welcome back. Great job on setting up the settings to administer your learners and adding your learners to your course. In this video, we will look into the assessment settings for your course. We highly suggest to update the settings once you have finished designing the content and learning activities of your course. The first setting that we will look at is the general assessment settings. To do this, go to Assessment Settings. On this page, you will need to choose the assessment process that you want to use for your course. You can choose to have the learners decide when they are ready to be assessed or not. If you opt for yes, the learners will need to click on the Assess Me button on their progress page in order for you to start assessing their work. If you opt for no, you can assess the learners anytime once they have submitted their work to be assessed. Please pause now if you need to update the settings. Great. Now we will look into designing the assessment report. Let's go to Assessment, Report Design. There are two ways to build an assessment report. Quiz-based assessment, which is an automatic assessment, and criterion-based assessment, which is manual assessment. For quiz-based assessment, the setup is quick and easy. Select New Quiz Report in this tab, and then click Add Report. Once the report appears, click Edit. Inside the report page, you can first edit the report title. Then, add the quiz page that you have built by typing in the page name. Once you have found the page, it will automatically load all the questions from the page. You can change the words for each question by editing it in the columns on the right here. And if you would not want to include the question as part of the assessment, you can click on the eye icon to hide it. Once you're happy with this, click Save. For criterion-based assessment, you will need to choose New Report to create your report. Once the report has appeared, click the Edit button to add the assessment criteria and details. In the report, you can first edit the report title and the total score for this report. Then, choose the outcome that you would use to set the criteria. I'll choose this one. Next, add in the evaluation criteria, the criteria weight, additional description, choose an assessment type, put in the evidence of learning, and also additional focus pages. If you have more criteria, add in the rest of the information based on your assessment plan. Don't forget to click Save to save your report. Lastly, once you have created and finalized all your reports for the course, ensure that all of the reports are visible to all the learners by clicking on the Visible button over here, and that the total of all the combined reports are 100%. Please pause now to add in your own report to your course. Great work! Now, once the learner has submitted their work and you want to start assessing your learners, you can do this by going to Assessment, Assess Learners. On this page, you will see all the reports that you have set up previously. To start assessing learners, if you want to find a specific learner, you can filter them by finding them in the Filter tab on top here. Find them by typing in their name in the column. For manual assessment, find the report that you want to start assessing, then click on the criteria for the learner. This will open up the assessment report for you to manually assess the learner. To view and evaluate the learner submission, click on the criteria. This will open the evaluation for you to mark and view the submissions from the learners. Once everything is assessed, you can check the total or make adjustment over here. Then you can decide to release the report to the learner straight away by clicking Release. For automatic assessment, you can manually assess by going to each of the learner's report like the manual assessment previously. However, you can also quickly assess all learners in one go by clicking on the play button on top to automatically assess all learners. Once all are assessed, you can also bulk release by clicking on the Batch option button and choosing Release All Results Now. This will release the learner's mark, and the learners will also get a notification for them to view the marks. So yeah, that's it. You can try to set up the assessment setting to start assessing your learners for your course. If you require any support in any parts of these steps, please reach out to the customer success team via live chat, phone, or email. You can also find the help documentation on each of these settings via help.openlearning.com and going to the assessment categories. So that's it. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.